Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2927th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. So, these videos are geared to teach you the art of technical analysis, and I'm very good at that art, so please pay attention to these videos. I'm sure they will help you. This is for trading on Thursday. That's going to be June 12th, 2025. The OMNI says sell the rallies, but not before you recognize this. A trading industry or a trading job, but let's step back. Trading at all? I don't care what kind of trading it is. I don't care if you're trading the white caps from this bottle right here. Trading anything is risky. It's dangerous. Don't let anyone tell you different. Put your stops in, put your protective stops in first before you ever get into a live position. Everything that you trade is risky. Know that. All right. So, OMNI, S&P, the OMNI flips just when we thought it was safe to go back in the water. I did that great video last night, all the head and shoulders pointing up, and we had a great day getting long on Wednesday. But now the OMNI wants us to sell the rallies for trading on Thursday, and that's what we do. We do what the OMNI asks of us. We do not argue. So indices, we're sellers of rallies. Forget last night's video till the next up signal. Last night's video remains valid, but nothing goes straight up. As you know, that was slightly longer term analysis. This is for analysis top day trading on Thursday. What else is out there? This is a good one. Silver bugs, look what we got. So far we've been doing good. We've been trading the silver well when we can get a fill. Let's get rid of this because it didn't happen yet. And here we are. We've got the reaction. Now it's starting to react to the double top. You see what I mean over here? That's starting to react. You're getting a couple of down days. Your next bar should be something like this. So the OMNI has flipped to selling the rallies. Be careful here, silver bugs, silver fans, if you're long. I don't know that this is going to happen tomorrow. In fact, the market could go gangbusters up tomorrow and stop us out. But the OMNI tells us we could sell rallies and expect it to possibly go down. I'm going to stick to what the OMNI says, I'll tell you that much. Now, question for you. Do you think silver is finally reacting to the double top? Will we go lower? Will we follow this pattern down? Please answer on the video. We've been doing pretty good. We got the first call wrong. We got the second one right as a crowd. This is the third call on silver about this double top. Answer A. Do you think we will go higher and pass the double top? Answer B. Do you think we will go lower and respect that double top? So we'll make B red. This way we know that if we answer that, we're answering for the red side. Please answer now. A, will silver make it through? Or B, is Oscar just pointing out the obvious, right? A, is Oscar wrong because, hey, analysis isn't always right? Or B, will it go lower? Please answer now. We will tally you guys up. Remember, the first one we did together on this very chart, I thought it would stop for the double top. With 75% of you, we were wrong. The next choice we took on this chart, we were all right together except for a couple of us. Now I want to see what you think about this double top. But we're not done, kids. Remember I told you to go in and buy Tesla? Well, Tesla has gone straight up since I told you to go in and buy it. And now I'm going to tell you to stop buying it. After the no-holds-barred wrestling match between Trump and Musk, we had our drop, right? Boom, boom, boom. Then I said, don't get out, get long. This is your opportunity. Well, now I'm telling you to back off. Obvious reasons. We're hitting resistance trend lines. We're running into an average. So we're running into a little trouble. I wanted to make sure you were all aware of that. Traders, I hope this helps. Make sure you join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, put your stops in first. Heed my warnings here. Watch out for Tesla. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.